To turn on or off reading mode on POCO C75, first let's open our settings. Then we can scroll down and keep looking for display and brightness. When we enter it, we can scroll down and find the reading mode right here. Then you'll be able to enable or disable it. As you can see, when it's enabled, our screen becomes a bit yellow. We can also create a specific schedule for the good night's read, and you can turn it on specific time and turn it off at specific time that you can set right here for both of them. And that is basically all of the features right here. There's also option to set it to good night's read, switch to reading mode after sunset automatically. And I think in the reading mode we can also go for a cycle, which achieves optimal comfort by adjusting colors automatically based on app types and sunrise to sunset times, or a classic, which switches to warmer colors to reduce the amount of blue light. And when you enter it, you can adjust the color temperature and also change the texture, and we can set the black and white colors to make the reading easier. But let's turn it off like that.